Hi everybody, Greg Luczak with Luczak Real Estate and Coldwell Banker Residential Brokerage, bringing you a fantastic home listing tour today. Today we're at 2517 Howbert Street. This is a beautiful and super unique property located in the Bott neighborhood. Just a few steps to Colorado Mountain Brewery and just a short stroll over to all the action in the heart of Old Colorado City over here. This is a super charming bungalow, nearly 1,500 square feet. You've got 2 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms in this property. Beautiful open layout, beautiful landscaping. Fantastic backyard with an extended patio. You've even got the white picket fence in front. Let's go inside and take a closer look as well. Total square footage of this property is 1,480 square feet. When you walk in, you're greeted by a ton of natural light and beautiful modern finishes as soon as you walk in. You've got great laminate flooring that stretches throughout the majority of the main level. You've got a beautiful sunken living room just off the entrance. Again, great natural light, double pane vinyl windows everywhere, upgraded lighting and ceiling fan, beautiful crown molding. It really gives that charming bungalow feel. Coming into the kitchen, you've got beautiful Corian countertops that spread throughout. You've got great cabinet space, great countertop space, undermounted stainless steel sink, beautiful finishes throughout the property for sure, including great bookshelves and entertainment cubbies. Double French doors will take you through to a beautiful large family room that's right now decorated as a library. It's got a beautiful gas fireplace in there, great space, great second family room that can be closed off and give you some extra room as well. This home does have 2 full bedrooms, including a great master suite with a large walk-in closet, a nice attached full bath, vaulted ceilings, and a great ceiling fan. Second bedroom is spacious as well. You've got another full bathroom on the one level as well. So you've got great main level living. All the appliances in the kitchen are included, fantastic layout. And again, the heart of this home is really in this fantastic backyard. You've got a really unique backyard with an oversized stamped concrete patio, great outdoor space. You've got a secondary shed that works even great as an art studio or anything like that. The backyard, everything is fully fenced. Again, super charming. And this property is listed at $295,000. Like with all my homes, this property does come with a 14-month home warranty transferable to the buyer upon closing. So not only do you get a gorgeous property that's in fantastic shape, but you get the peace of mind that comes along with that as well. If you'd like more information on 2517 Howbert Street, please visit my website, which is www.makespringshome.com. If you'd like a private tour of this gorgeous home, give me a call directly at 719-271-8888. Thanks.